Gotcha. Come outside where it's a bit brighter. Today I'm doing a short video on how to replace a double switch socket. I've got one that's got a little bit of a crack in it, which is not the issue, but I want to replace it with one that's got built-in USB charging ports so I can charge my phone when I'm doing videos, etc. Just take you through how you do that today. Before we get cracking on that, I want to show you a new sticker that I've got on my very small sticker wall. I've only got two stickers on there. One from Tool Addicts and the second one is from Bear's Workshop. Now Bear's a woodworker that lives near me. He lives in Watford and we met up last week and had a bit of a chat due to fact, very similar interests, and he's given me a selection of his stickers. You can see there it's gloss black on matte black and it's very cool. It does some really good work. He's on Instagram, Bear's Workshop, I think it's Bear's Workshop UK, and on Bear's Workshop on Facebook as well. If you follow me on Instagram, I'll have a link to his stickers, etc. on there. There we go. It's looking a little bit pitiful, isn't it? We've got Tool Addicts and Bear's Workshop on there. So if you have a sticker, please get in contact with me. You can send me a PM on Instagram, give me your address, and I will put your sticker up on my tool wall. I've got plenty of space on the side of that, like I don't know what you call this, tool tidy thing, and I've got another one there, plenty of space down there, so we can get your sticker up there, no problem. So first thing you do, you make sure your power's off. Now what I did, I plugged my floodlight, my sort of recording light here, into that socket. I went inside, checked, flipped the switch, checked to make sure it'd gone off. So now I know for sure that there's no power to this socket. Now this is super duper important. If you're not happy working with electrics, you must get a professional in. I'm not telling you how to do it, I'm just showing you how I do it. But if you're unskilled and you're unqualified, don't do what I do. So this is the socket we're replacing on the left hand side, and this is what we're going to be replacing it with. Just a standard MK socket with the USB ports inside. As you can see, this one has it, the other one doesn't. Start removing the screws. Now I should have done this earlier if I could possibly have done so, but I've been working today and I literally just finished 10 minutes ago. Don't leave it any longer because it'll be too dark. The electrics, obviously you need light to work on. Okay, that's the electric socket there. This is the electric socket here. We've got two wires going to our earth, two wires going to neutral, and two wires going to live. That's on the existing. On the new one, we've got a live switch, we'll put two wires to there, a neutral switch, we'll put two wires there, and we've got an earth here and an earth here. We've got two wires, two earths. What I'm going to do is I'm going to split our earths because we've got two of them. I'm going to put one earth to here and one earth to here. I've already checked this with my meter to make sure there's no electricity running through it. I know it's all dead. Can never have too many safety checks when you're working with electricity. Right, okay, all the wires are coming out. Right, get my lives. Move one live underneath and over here. The other live's going to come through here. Put those in together. to get a bigger headed screwdriver so I can get more purchase on this. Put more twist. There we go. Let's get my two neutrals. Those together. Move my hands out of the way so you can see what I'm doing. Put that in the hole that says neutral. Sorry if you can't see what I'm doing, my hand's probably in the way. Okay, I'll take one live, put it in there, and I fold that over to get double thickness. Twist it around so it's sideways. Right, let's take a couple of mil off that. Let's give them a little pull, see if they're going to pop out. Again, take my earth sleeving off. Back on. Oh, bum. I'm quite tall, 6'2". I hate bending over and my back is locked in a downwards position here. Just making my back out. Double that over again. Twist that, put that in the earth. You twist them over because you get double purchase, so you make the wire wider and it means it's less likely to slip out as you do it up. Go around checking all 4 of them, make sure they're tight enough. Okay, there we go, the wires are okay, we can just put these back on. Now, one way to test whether or not you've put the socket on correctly or not is to use a socket tester. If everything's okay, all 3 lights will light up red. So let me plug this in. Let me go and turn the power on, see what you see. Well, look at that. That looks pretty good to me. All 3 lighting up okay. Let's test that one. All 3 lighting up okay. We'll test the socket next to it, which we haven't touched. All 3 lighting up okay. Okay. Let me put my light in. And it, whoops. If this works okay, it's about to get very bright in here. Let me check my USB cable. And yes, the USB cable is working. One thing I didn't realise is if you turn this off, USB cable keeps charging. That's pretty cool. Thanks for joining me. Chris, a short video today. I'm aware that I've not put much out for the last week. I've been crazy busy, started a new job, all hands at the deck there, and I've been refurbishing so many tools for my children's toolboxes, the ones I'm giving away. So I've got a load of rusty junk, and I've just spent every night coming in here on the wire wheel and not sort of buffing them up and cleaning them up, giving them a little bit of a linseed oil on the handles, etc., getting ready to ship those out to a load of kids. Remember, if you've got a sticker, please PM me on Instagram, give me your address, and I'll fire some stickers off to you. Thanks so much for joining me. See ya.